You want to learn more about yourself? So, I want to tell you in this video helpful things to learn more about yourself. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. So, helpful things to learn more about yourself. Your attachment style. Think about it. What makes you feel loved or needed, likable, lovable? Your triggers, any helpful ways you may react when you become triggered or stressed. Your go-to self-soothing strategies. Your self-sabotaging behaviors. Your core beliefs that influence you. Influence how you interpret your life and your moments, your life and your experiences. What else? What you enjoy and what you don't. What turns you off and what turns you on. Your hopes, your dreams, your goals, your desires. If you know more, write in comment section. Thank you so much for being here, for watching my videos, listening to my videos. If you like my video, like, share it and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Always remember, there's only one you, and you cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. Okay? Take care of yourself. Have fun, be happy, and be healthy. And enjoy yourself. I love you. Bye.